Hi guys, and welcome back to another ACTY video. In today's video, we're going to be testing out this Rain-X headlight restoration kit, see if it works, see how well it works. Yeah, so let's get started. So the reason we're doing this restoration, one, because the headlights really need it, but two, we just installed new LED bulbs, if you checked out my last video, and we really want those lights to shine. So let's see. Okay, and then besides the Rain-X kit, you'll also want to have some gloves and some microfiber towels and some paper towels if you can get them too. First things first, we gotta wipe the debris off of the headlight. Step 2, lubricant. We need to spray the headlight and the polishing pads with the lubricant. Number 1. Here we go. So, we'll spray this bad boy down. Hopefully it's a lubricant. We'll see. Okay. And then we wipe clean. Okay. Number 2. Polishing pad 3. Okay. This is hard work. Step 3. This is a generous amount. Okay. Now we rinse with water. Okay, I think that's about dry now. And we apply the sealant, and it's finished. Time for sealant. Okay, I think that's it. We gotta get a before and after shot now. So we got before on the left, after on the right. What do you guys think? I'm not sure if the camera does it justice, but in real life, it does look a lot better. So it may not look it, but I have put a lot of time in. I've cleaned it up, got rid of the weird odor that was in here when it arrived. It just had like really pungent stench to it. I think like replacing the seats has definitely helped with that and cleaning it up. And so it's in way better shape than when it first arrived, but there's still so much more work to do. And then you can check out all of those videos. They're on my channel. There's a lot more videos coming, so stay tuned. That's it for this video. If you guys enjoyed it, thanks so much, and I'll see you in the next one.